In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive orders on the Amazon app. Archiving your Amazon orders is a handy way to keep your purchase history organized, especially if you frequently shop online or want to tidy up your recent order list. Let's dive into the process step by step to help you achieve a more organized overview of your Amazon purchases. The first thing you need to do is open the Amazon app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account by checking that your name appears at the top of the screen, which confirms that Amazon recognizes your profile. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so now to proceed with viewing your order history. Once logged in, locate the menu icon. This appears as 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Tap it to reveal a navigation panel with various account options. Here, you will want to select the option labeled Your Orders. This will take you to a page where all your recent purchases are listed. On the Your Orders page, you'll find a chronological list of all your orders made on your Amazon account. Scroll through this list to find the specific order you'd like to archive. The search function is a valuable tool here if you have a substantial number of orders, as it allows you to quickly locate the item you're interested in. Once you've identified the order you'd like to archive, it's important to note that the current Amazon app does not directly support order archiving. For that feature, you need to access Amazon via a web browser. Simply open up an internet browser on your mobile device or computer, go to Amazon's website, and log into your account if needed. Once on the website, head back to the Your Orders section, where you'll revisit the order list you accessed via the app. Locate your desired order, and within the order details, you will see an option to archive order. Click this, and the system will move your selected order into an archive, effectively keeping it out of your frequent purchases view but accessible anytime you need it in the future. An important tip to remember is that archiving orders doesn't delete them, it simply helps you manage your list more efficiently. You can still view them by navigating to the Archive Orders section whenever you want to reference back. This feature is particularly helpful for keeping track of older or infrequent purchases without cluttering your immediate order history. That's the entire process. I hope now you feel more confident in archiving orders to create a more streamlined and organized Amazon shopping experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy organizing!